Today, let's make a tulip latte art. Is it an easy latte art to make, or it's a very hard one? 6 baristas today are making a flat white with the basic tulip latte art design. Meet Barista Chris. Look this side, Chris, on your money. Yes. And the artist? Barista Fortunate. Barista Mark. And the latte artist. Now, here's the interesting part of this video. None of the baristas, even me myself, had plans to make this latte art video. All of us, we had only one chance to make a basic tulip latte art on a flat white and serve it to the customer. So we didn't practice and none of us was prepared. But I wanted to show you behind the bar how baristas make latte art on coffee in real time. So you guys can be the judges at the end of this video. Barista CC.
Okay.
Good job. I'm the barista. Barista Alex. Look this side. Yeah, like that. Barista Alex. It's came out nice. And Dero, the barista himself. Any of the questions that you might be having about latte art.
Okay. You want us to get the glasses or what?
You're bleeding.
So as you have seen all the baristas making the basic latte art on the flat white, by now I'm sure that you have chosen your favorite Tulip Latte Art. I'm going to be reading all the comments and I'm going to be replying to any of the questions that you might be having about latte art. But one key takeaway that I would like you to get from this video is an encouragement. If you're someone who's struggling with latte art, or you're a beginner barista who's finding it challenging to make a perfect tulip latte art each and every time, I hope this video has shown you, even as professional baristas, sometimes our latte art is not perfect. You need constant practice. And this is why I would recommend for you to watch this video next to guide you on your first step on mastering how to practice your latte art.